Hello students, today we start a new topic reinforced cement concrete means RCC in a module number 3 plain and reinforced concrete construction. So in this topic we discuss about the what is RCC, then after quality control of the concrete and cast in situ construction. We discuss on a construction procedure for a cast in situ and various operation of the equipment for cast in situ construction. So here we start a topic by uh, discuss on a first is a what is reinforced cement concrete. So reinforced cement concrete is a mixture of the cement, sand, aggregate plus steel. So here steel bar is provided as a reinforcement, so it is called a reinforced cement concrete. So as PCC has a little usable tensile strength, so here it is if we use the reinforcement with a tensile material, so is called a RCC. So the reinforcement is in the form of the mild steel or torch steel bar is used in a reinforcement cement concrete. So here mild steel bar are used in the form of the and steel bar always in a different size like and count as a like 10 die bar, 12 die bar, 16 die bar, 18 die bar, 20 die bar, etc. So here recently we use the M50 grade the concrete of any type of the RCC work is prohibited by the Indian standard. So after earthquake, minimum grade of the concrete we use in a RCC structure or RCC work is a M20 grade concrete. So as per the IS Indian standard, M50 grade is a prohibited in a RCC work. Now next we discuss on a quality control of the concrete. So quality control of the concrete can be considered in a three stages. So first stage is a quality control before construction, second stage is a quality control during the construction, and third stage is a quality control after construction. So what is quality control before construction? So quality control name indicate before construction. So these include the quality control over the raw material, over the process and method of preparing the fresh concrete and transportation of concrete. So here we include the raw material quality in a before construction. So if the raw material quality is higher or lower, so depend on a quality we prepare a concrete. So if the quality of the raw material is higher, so we at the last we got the final product concrete is a higher quality concrete. Now next is a quality control during the construction. So these include the quality control during placing the concrete in the formwork, compacting the concrete and curing of the concrete. So during the construction time, three stages are there. So placing the concrete, compacting the concrete and curing the concrete. So if we taken a care during these three process, at the time we control the quality of the construction or a quality of the concrete. Now third is the quality control after construction. So these include the repair, maintenance and remedial measure to be adopted to rectify the defect which comes the light after removal of the formwork. So after removal of the formwork, we seen the sometime we seen the honeycombing structure or a honeycombing work we seen after removal of the formwork. So after removal of the formwork, we maintain or repair these type of the construction work. So we increase the quality after construction work. Now next topic is cast in situ concrete. So the construction in which concrete is poured in the permanent location of any building structure is called a cast in situ construction. So a name indicate cast in situ construction means your concrete work is done on site or on construction site. So this is opposite of the precast concrete work. So in a precast we construct building components on a factory, and then after we transported the precast component from the factory to on site, and we fix the building component. So all the component are a precast or prefabricated. So here opposite thing is cast in situ construction. So concrete is made on a site, then after we pour the concrete in a formwork, then after compacting the concrete, and then after curing the concrete on site. So no any type of the transportation work is included in a cast in situ construction work. So the concreting of any permanent location of the RCC structure is generally done in a cast in situ work. Now here construction procedure of the cast in situ construction is given. So first is a procurement of the ingredient of concrete. So in a procurement of the ingredient of concrete is a cement, sand and aggregate, and a steel bar. So as per the design, different diameter of the bar we use as per the structural design, and then after all the material store and handling in a different location. Like cement is stored in a free from moist area. Now next is a batching of the ingredient of concrete. So here there are two type of the batching, weight batch and volume batch. So in a weight batch, like if we take a proportion like 1:2:4, clear. So here 1:, means one part of the cement. If we take a batching like a volume, so one part or one volume of the cement, two volume of the sand and a four volume of the aggregate. Now if we take a batching in the form of the weight, so like a 1 kg of the cement, 2 kg of the sand and a 4 kg of the aggregate. Now all the material are mixing in a proper way. Like if the construction portion is a small, or a construction building component is a small, so we use a hand mix. And if the largest area is concrete work is done, so here machine mix is required. So mixing of the concrete is done. Then after mixing, all the concrete is poured in a formwork. So here placing of the concrete is required in a formwork. So after placing of the concrete, compaction of the concrete is required. So compact, how to compact the concrete? So here different type of the vibrator we use, like a needle vibrator, surface vibrator, formwork vibrator. So all the types of the vibrator are used in a different work. So after compacting the concrete, we remove the formwork after some of the days. As per the Indian standard, we remove the formwork, and then after curing is required for 28 days. So after curing, we got a final finishing work. So here these are the construction procedure of the cast in situ construction work. Now next is a various operation and equipment for a cast in situ construction. So here there are main 8 operations is given. So first is a batching, second is a different types of the mixtures, third one is a formwork, fourth one is a transportation, placing, compaction and finishing of the concrete, and fifth one is a compaction of the concrete, sixth one is a vibro processing or a vibro pressing, then after seventh is a finishing purpose of finishing, and eighth one and last is a curing of the concrete. So these are the different operation and equipment for the cast in situ construction. Now we discuss one by one. So first we take up batching. So batching is nothing but a mixture of the cement, sand and aggregate, but as per the ratio. So here as per the ratio or as per the grade, we mix the material by the volume or by the weight. So here batching is divided into two parts, volume batching and weight batching. So what is weight batching and what is volume batching? So volume batching is a very accurate method, but because of its convenience on a side, it is widely practiced, and on a particular side the volume measuring containers can be calibrated according to weight, and in this method more accuracy is required, and it's a accurate method. So on a side, in a volume batching, wooden box of the bamboo handle are generally used, and also we use the hand cards. So hand card is a used in a large construction site, and all the box are of the same size, and raw material are arrive on a site and estimate how much weight of the sand, cement and coarse aggregate fill in the box can be made, and then according to the mix design the number of the boxes per batch can be determined. So it is also the boxes capacity is differently available, like 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50 liters are available on a site. So the flexibility can be achieved in case of the mixing of the different grade, and in case the mix design changes. The boxes are called as firmas on a site. So as per the firma, like if we take a proportion like 1 raised to 2 raised to 4, so here one part of the cement, so means box one box of the cement, 2 box of the sand and 3 box or a 4 box, as per the ratio we use the 4 box of the aggregate. So here wooden box is used as a volume. Now next type of the batching is a weight batch. So this is an accurate method of the batching, but it is so and on a site it is rarely used or adopted. Now in this method ingredient of the concrete are weighted according to the required grade before mixing them. So generally, and in between the methods where the weights are taken in the beginning and the box are calibrated, and then till the raw material change or volume batch is adopted. On arrival a new material, the boxes should be recalibrated. So weight batching is used in a modern concrete batch mixer plant. So it's a RMC plant. So in a generally RMC plant we use a weight batching. So modern batching plant are a very sophisticated and having computerized control batching, and which is measure the ingredient, detect and apply correction for the surface moisture, bulkage and completely automatically. And ready mix concrete is now become a popular in a prepared in a systematic batching plant and then carried out in a site in a truck. So here different RMC plant, in a RMC plant different material use and also admixture is used. So all the materials is mixed as a weight batch. Now here different types of the mixture we use in a construction line. So here 3 types of the mixture is generally used to mix the material of the concrete, cement, sand and aggregate, and also if required we add a admixture. So here 3 types of the mixture is a first is a tilting mixture, second is a non-tilting mixture, and third one is a transist mixture. So what is tilting mixture? So tilting mixture have a conical shape revolving drum. So see this figure. So in this figure revolving drum with a 3 sets of van or a blade are arranged spirally on an inner surface, and the drum can be tilted on a horizontal axis to the various position, and a hopper which rests on the ground till the ingredient are located on it and is rise and feed the ingredient in a drum on a side. Now the hopper is lowered, water is added in a drum, and a concrete mixture is rotated for a 3 to 5 minutes. We rotate the drum, and after this time drum is tilted in a opposite side for the empty purpose. So all the materials which is mixed for a 5 minutes are removed from the drum, and these material are remove on a metal sheet which is carried out where it is carried out for pouring the formwork. Now second type of the mixture is a non-tilting type of the mixture. So these are also called a rotary type mixture. So these have a cylindrical mixture drum which revolve around the fixed horizontal axis and cannot be tilted. So it's a fixed type. So here drum is rotated but not tilt in a horizontal axis, and a water tank is provided on a top of the uh, mixture machine, and the loading of the ingredient is done by loading the skip which rests on the tires to avoid the shock with release back. Now the skip is raised, the lifting cable and feed the ingredient into the drum, and for a delivery of the fresh concrete there is an operating at the other side of the cylindrical drum. The delivery chute tilts downward, and due to rotation the drum is emptied out and the fresh cement concrete is deposited in a metal sheet. So it's a non-tilting type of the mixture machine. Now third type of the mixture is a transist mixture. So all of you know about the RMC plant. So transist mixture is a very effective and popular equipment used in a transportation of the concrete over loading distance, vitally used in a RMC plant. And transist mixture is a simply truck mounted mixture machine having a capacity of the 4 to 7 meter cube, and generally we use a 6 meter cube truck, uh, capacity of the 6 meter cube truck capacity. Now functionally there are two types of the transist mixture is in one type of the mixture concrete is transported to the side by keeping it agitated all the along at a speed of the 2 to 6 revolution per minute, and the another type of the concrete is a batch at the plant, and mixing is done in a truck mixture during the travel at a some of the distance, and for a longer transportation transist mixture give a better result. So this mixture contain rotating drum. So see this photograph. So here yellow color drum is rotated. So here rotation speed is a speed on a rotating drum is between 40 to 16 revolution per minute. So this type of the truck is generally used in a RMC plant. Now next topic we discuss on a formwork. So in the next lecture we discuss next topic of the formwork. Thank you.